guess that's that on that. Yeah. And on today's episode, we look at placing a high-performance head on Project Pea-Shooter. And here I have my upgraded 22-pound valve springs from Affordable Go-Karts. Alright guys, so obviously with the factory valve springs, it's really not that difficult, but with these aftermarket ones, they're a lot stronger, so it is a little bit of a challenge to compress these down by hand, but it's completely doable. Make sure that you keep your finger underneath the valve whenever you're pushing down on this to get it seated, and then you'll know when it's in because it makes a pretty loud, distinct click. Got our plate down here. Okay guys, and honestly directly after this was supposed to be the video of me showing you guys how to set the valve lash. Unfortunately, I have either lost that footage or it just didn't record. I don't know what happened. But if you do want a specific video talking about how to set valve lash, let me know. I'll make one. But otherwise, enjoy what we have here, because up next should be the fully completed Pea-Shooter and how much faster it is on this new setup. See you guys later.